CodeIgniter is an open-source PHP web application framework created by LSLab Inc., and it is now a project of British Columbia Institute of Technology. The framework implements a modified version of the Model View Controller design pattern. It is praised for its performance and the quality of its documentation. Its goal is to enable developers to develop projects much faster than writing code from scratch, by providing a rich set of libraries for commonly needed tasks, as well as a simple interface and logical structure to access these libraries. CodeIgniter is most often noted for its speed when compared to other PHP frameworks. The first public version of CodeIgniter was released by LSLab on February 28, 2006. CodeIgniter 4 was released on February 24, 2020.